It's beautiful time early in the morning. People are leaving their home with their animals for their daily routine work. Their animals are being used for their farming purposes. Donkeys are specially used to carry different luggages, and they take different things towards their farms, towards their homes. Not only donkey, but you can see that buffalo are also being used for their domestic use. They are very silent and very faithful animals. There are too many sheep going for their meal, and their shepherd is behind them. They know their way, where they are going. They know better what's their destination. It's a cool morning over there. All the sheep are going with their shepherd. Sometimes they run very fast. Small, big, all are there. They are happy. All the night they were in their place, and they were free now to move towards their meal. What they will find, they will eat, everything. It's a beautiful morning and beautiful village life. The people are very happy and they're satisfied with their work, and they are doing their jobs. Thank you. We should thank our farmers.